Okay, once you create an account and you log in, this is what you will see. The site has been updated where you can create a class to assign assignments to students, or you can customize a Flexbook or a textbook for your students to use. So I'm going to go through how to create a Flexbook. So I'm going to click on Create a Flexbook. Okay, if you see here, we can title our Flexbook. So I'm just going to say um, algebra. Algebra 1 concepts. Okay, whatever topic you're talking about. And so we can save that. So we have Algebra 1 content saved. And we can add to Flexbook here. We can edit. This is our publish, and this is how we share. This portion, this tab is for read. If you wanted to upload a file that you had, you can upload one. If you want to be really specific about details or describe, write a description, you can write it there. So I'm going to go to read. Right now, there's no table of contents. I know it looks like it's still loading. So let's go to add to Flexbook. Okay. So we're going to add to Flexbook here. Okay. Okay. So that one's already created. So we can add content to this Flexbook by hitting the edit. I'm sorry, I hit the wrong button a few minutes ago. I'm so sorry. So we're going to hit edit first. Then we're going to hit add content, and we can search through CK12. We can write our own. We can add a new chapter, several things. So CK12 has lots of resources. So we're gonna go there. So I'm gonna type in order of operations. That's an Algebra 1 concept. And search. So once it loads in, it says Flexbook Concept, Teacher Edition, Workbooks. And so it's showing 1 of 10. So you can choose to add this to your Flexbook, but you aren't able to preview it this way. So if we go ahead and add it, there it is. And once you open it up, you're able to edit it. If we go to edit and preview. Okay, so once you hit edit, what's in the book will show in just a moment. That's the book. Now for me, and it has a video there, for me, I like to, let's go ahead and save changes and get back out. I would like to preview and look at what I'm going to put in my Flexbook. This was like the blind way. So I'll show you a way that you can use and look at what you're doing. So we're going to go to My Content, or we can go, and we have in My Content, we only have one book, that's Order of Operations. So we're just going to do a search. So now we can search Order of Operations and search. And here are the things you can add. So if we look under Flexbooks, it covers all modalities, study aids, assessments. So those have to do with order of operations. Let's just click on Flexbook. That's where we get our reading materials. Okay, and here's some order of operations, things that have already been created. So let's say we may like go down to, and see, I just created that one. Go to the next, let's say middle school. Let's click on this one. So now you're able to see what you want. If you like algebra thinking, you might want to click on that or read it and back out of it using fractions. So this is where you can choose to add this to your Flexbook. So let's go to using fractions. Okay, so once you see the add to Flexbook here, we just simply click add to Flexbook, choose the Flexbook we created, which was Algebra 1 concept, hit OK, and it is added to the Flexbook. Okay, so it has been added. So let's look, let's go back to our My Content, and you see here Algebra 1 concepts. And see there, it has been added. This is the first session of just how to create an ad. The next time I will create a video on how to edit